Hey everyone, today I will just give you a brief update on my build. So I've decided to put it in a transportable box. 2 PSUs, as you can see, accessible from the outside, like here and a bit further away, so that I can plug in the power cords. I will put more things inside, and that's what I want to show you right now. So that's the first part of the compute units. I have 2 enclosures for disks, 4 SSDs right now, 1 terabyte, a network, a small JBoard controller, and my Intel NUCs. As you can see, it's just still not looking very pretty, but as it's not dumb if it works. So cables, a lot of those. Here are the Y cables for the power sources. Here are the connections for the Intel NUCs themselves, and SATA cables for the disk shelf. So I will put that into the box right now so that you can see how it looks like and how it's connected. And it's within the box now. As you can see, it fits. I have still some room to replace or add disks. Yeah, it does not look pretty nice, but it's, as it's proof of concept. If it works, and where you maybe need to have a larger box, or how that should change if I want to build a final version at some point. As you can see, there is no more room for an additional NUC, but what I decided is to add another box on top, if you can see, and with that I have more headspace, and I decided to use a small ITX board from, in this case I think it's Gigabyte, with an AMD EPYC 64 gig of memory, a few SATA ports and an NVMe port, so I can have my Windows server running Hyper-V and host my virtual machines. And I can also add the additional power cords from the second PSU, and then later on add some more storage, maybe add like a network switch here. It's not the final one, to be honest, but adding an additional switch, and then have 3 systems in that box as a carry around option. Next step would be to add some fans, so to have here on the front outtake fans to remove the heat, and on the back and 1 or 2 additional intakes so that not everything comes through the PSUs, to have to add additional cooling to the system, and also maybe add 1 or 2 on top, so that I always have some fresh cool air for the top mount system.